So the past few days, this anime filter has been going viral, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get it onto Snapchat so you can then use it in videos for TikTok and Instagram as well. And I'll also show you how to add any song to your video before you upload or make other edits. So there are two ways to get the filter onto Snapchat, and the first way is just to click this link. It's the first one in the description, so make sure you're doing this on your phone or tablet, wherever you have Snapchat actually installed on your device. So just click that and then it should take you to Snapchat. This is what happens when I click this. It just says nothing to see here because I already have the filter. So if you go to your effects by clicking the smiley, then it should be this one. So yeah, as you can see, I'm anime now. The second way to find the filter in Snapchat is to go into the effects tab, but even if you're in any of the other effects, you should be able to find the explore button. So click that, and then in the search bar, you can search for anime style. So as you see, it's already on the trending page. So make sure it's the one by Snapchat. That's like the official one. Obviously there's other ones you can look at, but this is anime style by Snapchat is the actual filter that people have been using. So once you have the filter, you can then just like record yourself or take photos. You can even click the camera roll and then it'll find faces that you can, like this is a random one that I made, but it basically turns the photo into the anime. So using this, you can also turn any like recorded video or image into anime too. You can also flip the camera, so I'm gonna flip it. So as you can see, I have a picture pulled up of Joji and it's turning him into anime. And then even like videos, like this is a video we made with like all these Bakumatai memes. It turns them into different anime people too. So yeah, front camera, back camera works. To get your video onto TikTok or Instagram, you're just gonna record all the clips in here and then save them to your device. So if I record this, and then I can just click save like regular. So from there, if you have your clips, you can either upload them to TikTok or Instagram and edit them in there. But for example, if you wanted to add a certain song that TikTok or Instagram don't have to your video, I'll show you how to do that easily for free online right now. So just go to Safari. You don't have to download any apps, just go to kapwing.com and make sure you log in because you can remove the watermark for free by logging in. So no watermark is added to your end product. And as you can see, I'm already logged in here. All you have to do is click new project, start with studio, and then upload your video. So I'm gonna click photo library, and I recorded this video before, so I'm just gonna use this one. Click add. This is of me using the actual filter. So then to add your music, just scroll over in the top bar, click audio, and scroll down, and then you can either upload an audio file or paste a link to one. So I found this anime no copyright music on YouTube. I'm gonna copy the link to this video that I want to use the audio from, and then go back to Safari and paste that right in. And then it should start grabbing the music. Okay, so it should have grabbed the music. Let's hear it. If you wanted to trim the audio, you could just click trim and then use the dots at the end of the purple bar to drag it and select how much of the music you want or what exact section of the music you want. But I'm fine with how it turned out for me. You can also adjust the volume if you want to make the original video like muted just by sliding this bar. So I'm happy with that. I'm gonna click done. And then this is what the video should look like. So in the studio, you can make other edits too, like you can add text. You can also add images or GIFs using the images tab. But once you're ready to finish up and upload your video elsewhere, you can just click export video. Okay, so my video's done loading. Here it is, and I can just save it to my device by clicking download, download again, and then it will start loading in the top right corner. Once it finishes, you can just click that and then click the video and click the button in the bottom left corner and then click save video. And now it should be saved to your camera roll, so let me just go find that. Yep, there it is. So you can hear it has the music in the back, and you can go and upload this to whatever platform you want, whether it's Instagram, Reels, or TikTok, or somewhere else. Thanks for watching this video. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content creation tips and tricks and trends, and we'll see you in the next one.